Hey guys, welcome back. This is Jeevan from Code Android. Today we shall see how to determine the current battery level in our application. In some cases, it's also useful to determine the current battery level. You may choose to reduce the rate of your background updates if the battery charge is below a certain level. So now we shall see how to make that. Start a new Android Studio project, select empty activity, then name the application as battery indicator. Okay, give finish. After getting sync successful, go to XML and clear the constraint layout and name it as linear layout and give the orientation as vertical and remove this text view and add one more linear layout. Let the width be match parent and height be wrap content and gravity be center and also within this linear layout we are going to add the text view and wrap content and also the height be wrap content and name the text as your battery percentage is and give the size around 25 dp or sp and let the text color be and close the tag and we need one more text view for indicating the battery percentage, so the text view be wrap content and height be wrap content. Let the gravity for this also be center and the text size be around 20 sp. Let the text be bold, so we are going to give text style as bold, and if you want you can give italic also along with bold, and the text color be we shall select the color here. Let it be red. Okay, select this hexacode, copy it and main thing is to give the id for it. Let the id be battery percentage, and for our reference we can also give the text which indicates percentage. Okay, give the margin as around 10 dp. Okay, now come back to the main activity.java. Now declare the variable for the text view where we are going to indicate the battery level. So the text view, let us name it as battery level. Now here we are going to use the broadcast receiver that binds the our application with the system and which helps us to receive the battery information from the system. So we are going to declare that method and name it as battery information. New broadcast receiver. Now we need to get the level of the battery. So we are going to use this code that is in level, that is battery level is equal to intent dot get int extra, that is battery manager dot extra level. By default it will be 0, and we are converting that extracted battery level into string form so that it can be displayed in our application, that is battery set text value of level, semicolon at the end of the broadcast receiver. Now this set text will set the text in the battery level, and now we need to initialize that text view by giving us bat level is equal to typecast it with the text view and find view by id or dot id dot, and we shall check what id we have given, that is battery percentage. Now we shall register battery info. We are here explicitly mentioning the intent filter, that is intent dot action battery changed. Now we shall run and see whether this application works or not. Here we can see that your battery percentage is 67. This means it is exactly showing what the current battery level of a system. So this is how you need to do. And in this tutorial we have learned that how to indicate the current battery level in our application. Thank you. This is Jeevan from Code Android.